Alright, so today we're diving deep into a crucial topic in biochemistry, phosphorus-containing compounds. From the energy currency of the cell, ATP, to the backbone of DNA, phosphorus plays a vital role in many biochemical processes. Let's explore how phosphoric acid, phosphate groups, and pyrophosphate contribute to these essential functions and what makes them unique. To start, let's look at phosphoric acid, a highly important molecule in biochemistry. Phosphoric acid, often referred to as inorganic phosphate, or Pi, in biochemical contexts, exists in several forms depending on the pH of its environment. At physiological pH, it primarily exists as hydrogen phosphate, or HPO4, with a 2- charge, and dihydrogen phosphate, or H2PO4, with a minus charge. In highly acidic conditions, phosphoric acid stays in its fully protonated form, H3PO4. As the pH becomes mildly acidic, it loses one proton to become dihydrogen phosphate, H2PO4, with a minus charge. As the environment turns more basic, another proton is lost, forming hydrogen phosphate, HPO4, with a 2- charge. And in strongly basic solutions, it becomes fully deprotonated as phosphate, PO4, with a 3- charge. Phosphorus isn't just floating around aimlessly, it's integral to some of the most important molecules in biology, like DNA and ATP. Take DNA, for example. The backbone of DNA is made up of alternating sugar and phosphate groups, linked by phosphodiester bonds. These bonds are essential for the structural integrity of DNA, and are formed when a DNA polymerase enzyme links a new nucleotide to a growing DNA strand. This reaction releases an ester dimer of phosphate, known as pyrophosphate, or PPI. Pyrophosphate is not stable in aqueous solutions and quickly hydrolyzes to form two molecules of inorganic phosphate. This hydrolysis reaction releases energy that drives the formation of the phosphodiester bond in DNA, a classic example of how phosphate chemistry underpins crucial biological processes. Now, let's shift to adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the energy currency of the cell. ATP contains 3 phosphate groups, and the bonds between these phosphates, known as high-energy phosphate bonds, store a significant amount of energy. When ATP is hydrolyzed to adenosine diphosphate, or ADP, and inorganic phosphate, PI, a large amount of energy is released, which is then used to power various cellular processes. So, why is phosphoric acid such a versatile molecule? It all comes down to its 3 acidic hydrogens, each with a unique pKa value. These values are 2.15, 7.20, and 12.32, respectively, covering a wide range of the pH scale. This range allows phosphoric acid to act as an excellent buffer, capable of maintaining pH stability in various biochemical environments. For example, at physiological pH, which is around 7.4, phosphoric acid exists primarily as a mix of dihydrogen phosphate and hydrogen phosphate in nearly equal amounts. This balance makes it very effective at buffering, meaning it can help maintain a stable pH even when acids or bases are added to a solution. Another key property is the ability of phosphate groups to stabilize negative charges through resonance. This is particularly important in nucleotide triphosphates like ATP, where multiple phosphate groups are bonded together. The negative charges on these groups repel each other, creating a high-energy state. This repulsion, along with resonance stabilization, makes the cleavage of these bonds, releasing one phosphate group, a highly exergonic process, releasing a lot of energy that can be harnessed by the cell. Understanding phosphorus-containing compounds isn't just about memorizing reactions. It has real-world applications, especially in fields like biochemistry and medicine. For example, the role of phosphate groups in DNA replication is fundamental to genetic inheritance and cell division. Phosphates also play a crucial role in energy metabolism. Every time a muscle contracts or a neuron fires, phosphates are involved in the energy transfer. In drug development, targeting phosphate pathways is a strategy for designing medications, especially in treatments for cancer and viral infections. Some drugs are designed to mimic phosphate groups, thereby interfering with the phosphorylation processes essential for the growth of cancer cells or the replication of viruses. Alright, so to wrap up, phosphorus-containing compounds like phosphoric acid are integral to many biological processes, from serving as key components in DNA structure to driving the energy transactions in ATP. Their unique properties make them invaluable. Understanding how these compounds work can give us deep insights into cellular function and open doors to innovative medical treatments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more in-depth biochemistry content. And if you're on the King of the Curve app or web app, leave a like there and comment on what topic you'd like to see next. Check out the app for even more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.